Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to save time with Asana project templates. If you're managing multiple projects with similar workflows, using templates can eliminate repetitive setup work and get your team moving faster. Let's jump right in. First, look over at the left menu bar in your Asana workspace and click the plus button. This opens up your project creation options. From the menu that appears, select New Project. This is where you'll access Asana's library of ready-made templates that can save you hours of manual setup. Once you're in the project creation window, you'll see various categories of templates organized by use case. Take a moment to browse through these categories, whether it's marketing campaigns, product launches, event planning, or team operations. Asana has pre-built templates designed for different workflows, so you're likely to find something that closely matches what you need. When you spot a template that fits your project type, go ahead and select it. This selection gives you a preview of what the template includes, showing you the task structure, sections, and workflow it provides. After reviewing the template, click Use Template. This tells Asana you're ready to build your project based on this framework. Now comes the customization part. You'll be prompted to type a name for your new project. Choose something clear and specific that your team will immediately recognize. This name will appear in your project list and helps everyone stay organized. Next, you'll need to select a privacy setting for the project. Decide whether this project should be visible to your entire organization, just specific team members, or kept private. This setting controls who can view and access the project, so choose based on your team's collaboration needs and the sensitivity of the work. Once you've named your project and set the privacy level, click Create Project to generate the project based on the template. Asana will instantly build out the entire project structure for you, complete with all the framework from the template you selected. Now take a moment to review the pre-filled tasks, sections, and descriptions in your new project. You'll notice that Asana has populated everything with standard tasks, assignees, placeholders, and helpful descriptions. This gives you a solid foundation to work from. You can now customize these elements to match your specific needs, assign actual team members, adjust due dates, and modify any tasks that don't quite fit. The heavy lifting of creating the project structure is already done. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.